Hello, my name is Edilberto Van Grieken Calderón, student Administración de Empresas.
Hello, Edilberto. Where will you live in 10 years?
In 10 years, I will continue living in Valledupar with my family. I will have a beautiful and comfortable house. My family will be happy and we will enjoy spending time together every day.
What will your family be like?
My children will grow out with good values in good education. We will travel together, celebrate special moments, and support each other.
What job will you have?
I will own my own company. I will be successful businessman. I will create new jobs and I will help other people achieve their goals.
What will you enjoy the most?
I will enjoy traveling with my family. We are going to visit beautiful places in Colombia and other countries. I will also play a sport and watch movies with my children
Why will your future life be your dream life?
because I will have a happy family, my own company, good health, and many opportunities. I believe that if I work hard today, I will achieve all my dreams. Thank you very much for listening to me.